In the case of the larger containers, water can be poured out of these directly into laboratory containers just by simply pulling up on this tab and water will come out. Alternatively, if you want to turn this into the laboratory, you can cut these tabs off and put septic caps on just like you did with the VOA vial. So you cut these tabs off and screw septic caps on each end. And then this can be labeled and sent to the lab directly without preservation or acidification. Now, there is a Teflon coated spring inside each of these bottles, and you can see that on the bottle in here. There's a Teflon coated spring inside. That spring is inside here. So if you acidify this, it's possible that some metals could leach out. So if this is a metal sample, the thing that you do after you set both caps open to remove the spring, basically what you're going to do is lift this cap up and remove that spring. So I'm going to set that spring over the side to remove the snap cap, and you can see that spring is hung over the side. And make sure that you only do this after you have the bottom cap on. This step right here, I'm going to release the spring into the bottle, okay? And then screw septic cap on this end. And what you're going to do is then turn this over, unscrew this, and then remove the spring from the container. That way you have no spring inside the container, and if you acidify this either here or back at the laboratory, you won't have exposed the sample to any metals.